The largest tiger reserve in India is answer C. Nagarjun. Durban city is situated in answer A. South Africa. Where in India are grapes grown on a commercial scale? Answer C. Parvati Valley. Tropic of Cancer passes through? Answer D. All of these. The Durand Line determined the border between? Answer D. India and Afghanistan. Kulu Valley in India is famous for the cultivation of? Answer C. Apples. Diamond mines are located at? Answer A. Madhya Pradesh. The study of population is called? Answer C. Demography. Which of the following country is the largest source in India's total import? Answer D. China. The Jawaharlal Nehru Port is located at? Answer C. Mumbai. The fertile land between two rivers is called? Answer C. Doab. Which one of the following state union territories of India recorded the lowest density of population in 2011 census? Answer D. Arunachal Pradesh. Sardar Sarovar Dam is being built on the river? Answer D. Narmada. Ramagiri gold field is situated in the state of? Answer A. Andhra Pradesh. Kullu Valley in India is famous for the cultivation of? Answer A. Apples. Which one of the following state recorded the lowest literacy in 2011? Answer A. Jharkhand. Which one of the following state does not use thermal electricity? Answer C. Arunachal Pradesh. Amarkantika Hills is the source of two rivers flowing in two different directions, west and east. They are? Answer D. Narmada and Mahanadi. Zojila is a pass between? Answer C. Kashmir Valley and Ladakh. The second largest river basin of India is? Answer C. Godavari Basin. What is Jhoom? Answer C. A type of cultivation. The place Sabrimala is situated in which of the following state? Answer C. Kerala. The Garo, Khasi, Jansha hills were performed in the same age as? Answer D. Meva Plateau. Tamil Nadu is the only state with more than one major port because? Answer D. The depth of water is high. Which is the largest tribe of India? Answer A. Gond. Which of the following problems is not encountered in the Indira Gandhi Canal command area? Answer B. A decline in the water supply. Which of the following is a river flowing from central India and joining Jamna Ganga? Answer D. Betwa. The Thar Express goes to? Answer C. Pakistan. Duncan Passage lies between? Answer D. South Andaman and Little Andaman. Which of the following industries is at Koratput? Answer B. Aircraft building. Peaty soil is found in? Answer C. Kerala. To which group does the black cotton soil of India belong? Answer C. Chernozem. In which state the percentage of Christian population is highest? Answer B. Kerala. Child sex ratio as per the provisional results of the 2011 census in India is answer D. 914. Which of the following rivers make an estuary? Answer D. Narmada. The southwest monsoon engulfs the entire India by answer D. 15 July. Which of the following mountains ranges in India are the oldest? Answer C. Aravalli. There was a substantial increase in food grains production, especially wheat production, during the period after answer D. 1966. Which one among the following industries is the maximum consumer of water in India? Answer B. Thermal power. Chilka Lake is located in answer A. Odisha. Which state in India occupies the same ranking position in respect of area and population? Answer B. Meghalaya. In India, as per the year 2001 census, the sex ratio females per 1000 males is answer D. 933. Which national highway is called Sher Shah Suri Marg? Answer D. National Highway number 1. Name of the capital of the newly formed state of Andhra Pradesh is answer C. Amravati.